Good afternoon all. Today we are going to learn how to create animation. Generally, animation means you think that we cannot create animation since we are teachers and we are educators. Animation, the term which makes everyone that you have to go and learn some specific courses, then only you can create animation. But here in these 5 days, you are going to learn how to create animation. Okay. Before that, we must know what is animation. Animation is nothing but the series of frames that runs together and makes an illusion. Suppose if you are taking a video for 1 second, then the camera will take 25 times photos. And these 25 times photos will run together and make some illusion. So that is the formation of animation. Okay. Animation is something different because you are taking a videograph. It takes 1 second and it takes 25 photo frames. But in case of animation, animation is a wonderful thing. It means that it can bring a static object and it bring life to it. And you can make movement and you can make this one flying and you can do as whatever you wish. So that is called the animation. Generally, the animation can be classified into 4 types. The animation can be classified into 4 types. The first one is traditional animation, and the second one is 2D animation, and the third one is 3D animation, and the fourth one is stop motion animation. We all have the 4 types of animations. Okay. Already during the second phase, you learned about some stop motion animation, and the traditional animation is nothing but the images are drawn by hand, and after that it will be taken photograph, and after that it will be compiled and it run into a movie. And then 2D animation is nothing but it's nothing but the cutout. It has the 2 dimension. Yeah, in cartoon channel you can see. Am I audible? Some are messaging that the audio is not clear. Am I audible? Participants, yes, thank you. Thank you. And then the third one is 3D animation. And there are many softwares. Blender, which I have told earlier. Blender is a 3D animation software. It's open source. You can create. And stop motion animation, you had some hands-on during the second phase. Now there are 4 types of animation. In these 5 days, we are going to collaborate these 4 types of animation together. Now we are going to collaborate these 4 types of animation together. Okay. Now, before making an animation, you must keep these 5 items in your mind. Before making an animation, what we will think, we have to create some colorful items and colorful animation. Before that, we all must know about the storyline. When we are going to creating an animation film, the storyline is the important thing. The storyline must be very good, and the storyline must have that whom we are going to create a movie. The storyline, in the storyline, you make a storyline, and then after that you create a script, and after creating a script you will create a storyboard will elaborate each screen, and after that you are going to create some animation, and then the post production, which is in the editing part, and then you are compiling into the final movie. These are all the steps you are going to follow when you are making an animation film. Okay. Now, when you are creating some animations, these are all the basic movements in animation. These 5 animation movements you all must know before you become an animator. to become an animator, you need some technical skills, and also you have to know some basic movements in animation. The first basic animation is straight line motion. Straight line motion is nothing but moving the object or image in a straight line. I'm moving my mouse like this. It's going in the straight line. So this is the basic animation. And then the second one is up and down motion. Up and down motion is nothing but the seesaw. Here there is an example given. Here the motion will be going. Suppose if your ball moves and it moves up and down. This one is the second basic movement. And then the third one is round and round motion. Here you could see the merry-go-round. And the fourth one is zigzag motion. Zigzag motion, it's the example is snake is given, and the fifth one is the back and forth motion, that is swing. So these five basic movement you all should know. Now this is the first one. This is called the basic movement in animation. So this is a straight line motion. So it is moving in a straight linear way. So this is the straight line. So whenever you are adding any images or making some animations, most of the animations will move in a straight line. And also sometimes it may go in a diagonal way. Suppose if any bird is here and it is flying from here and it moves in the diagonal way. So the basic movement is straight line motion. And then the second one is the up and down. It is very similar to the straight line. Straight line, it is going in this way. I request the participants not to message irrelevant messages. Please mute your video, mute your audio, and also stop your video. Okay, straight line also, it may be in the left or right. Now see here, it's in the up and down motion. Up and down motion is nothing, it's very similar to straight line. The straight line means it can move and move left to right and right to left. And here the up and down motion means it can move up and it can move down. But since this image is having some animation, it seems to be different, but it is moving upward and it is moving downward. So these two animations, it's very similar. The basic animation is it can move from left to right and right to left, and it can move from bottom to upward and from upward to downward. It can move in the four sides and also four direction, and also it can move diagonally. Okay. Next, the third one is the round and round motion. There are two types of basic movements, two types of in round and round movements. Sometimes it may rotate, rotation is required, and sometimes the round option is required. So these two movements is the third one, round and round motion, and you have to know where you have to give this animation. If you are having a square, in the square you can have the movement left to right or right to left. But here you should not give round and round motion for a square. You must know the appropriate movement you have to give to the image. And then the next one is the zigzag movement. It is the very important movement in the basic animation. Zigzag movement, here we have given. Here it is, here the snake is moving in the uniform manner. If you are giving some zigzag, if I am moving my mouse in zigzag, it must have some uniformity. If a person is running, he can't run in a straight line or from left to right. Obviously he will be moving from left to right or right to left, but there will be some zigzag movement. That zigzag movement must have some uniformity. That means I'm moving the mouse from here and it has to move like this. It must have some uniformity. So this is the very important motion. And then the final one is back forth and motion. Back forth is nothing but it's like a swing, or you can call it as an arc, or you can tell it's a little bit backward movement. So whenever you are moving if a person is running, you must ensure that you have to move one step backward and then it has to go. Whenever you are seeing any cartoon movie, you will find some backward movement. So the back and forth movement is an important thing. So these 5 types of basic movements will combine together and make a wonderful animation. These 5 items, the straight line motion, up and down motion, round and round motion, zigzag motion, and back forth motion. These 5 types of basic movements you all should know while creating animation. Okay. Now I'm going to ask some basic movements. Okay. Here, can you guess what type of movements I have used? Just type in the message so that I can understand what type of movement I have used. Yeah. Zigzag, I didn't use any zigzag movement here. Yeah, linear straight line and up and down movement I have used. Thank you. Thank you. And then again, I'm having one more thing. The next, can you guess what type of movement I have used? Again, it is in the linear state. It is moving from right to left. And also it has some bit animation. See here. I think the wheel is rotating, but it is not visible right now. And also I'm having some round and round motion. It is the rotation motion right now in the car. Okay. And then moving on to the next one. Can you guess what type of motion now I have used? Guess. No, it is not round. It is the rotation. Zigzag I haven't used. And then it is left to right linear motion. It is not having zigzag movement. Please guess. Watch the legs carefully. Up and down, right? It is having some up and down movement. So you carefully watch the legs again. It is the animation is going upward and downward. See again. Okay. So when we are collaborating all the animations together, it makes the animation more effective. Right. Okay. Let me move to another one. Can you guess this one? Yeah, bicycle moves. Yes. Yes, zigzag. Exactly, it is in the zigzag. Maybe it is irregular zigzag since it's a leaf. We followed the irregular zigzag. Thank you. Okay. And this is one animation. Please watch. Can you guess what type of animations we used? See, straight, backward, yes, linear, up and down. And then it also has some irregular zigzag movement. Yeah, right. Thank you. So this type of animation we are going to create. So please ensure that when you are going to create, you must know that basic 5 movements while creating animation, right? Just a minute.
Simon, told about some basic animations. Here he has shown some outputs. Now I want to share few animated contents which will be used for teaching to our students.
Sir, please disable the participants annotation, sir.
Audio.
Stop sharing and you can do so. And then one more information that all your queries will be addressed at the end of the session. Please don't ask your doubts right now in the chat box. You can ask when we give the time.
Simon told about some.
Sir, stop participants annotation, sir. Disable participants annotation. It's on the top. Yes, sir.
Simon told about some basic animations. Here now, I am showing some animations which will be created only for teaching purposes by our teachers. This is a animation like stop motion one. The next one. This video can also be used, can also be created with some basic animations. At the end of the session, you can have an idea to create videos like this. This is another type of animation, narration. This video can also created by based on the system. To teach our students science concept, we can create animated video like this.
சாயங்கால வீட்டுக்கு போற வரைய அதுல என்ன பாகங்கள் இருக்கு அந்த மின்சாரம்
as I told you now,
மின்சாரத்தை
you can get an idea how can we create such types of videos
அந்த மின் காந்தத்தின் முன்னால அமர்ந்திருக்க ஒரு தேனிரும்பு துண்டு
the animation at the end of the session.
ஒரு மின் காந்தம் ஒரு உலோக வட்டு.
This type of video can also be very much useful in teaching science concepts.
நம்ம மின்சாரத்தை கொடுத்தோம்னா அது ஒலி எழுப்புது. அது எப்படி செயல்படுது? காந்தம் என்றாலே நமக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும்.
With some basic ideas, as Simon told, we are going to create a scene like this one now itself. What are moving there? You just observe what are the moving objects and what are the static objects in this slide. All the slides now you have watched are created by PowerPoint only. Now we are going to create a scene like this one. in PowerPoint now. To create an animated video in PowerPoint, we have to open the PowerPoint and open a new slide. Here, two rectangular boxes are there. To work with animation, we need not the rectangular box. So I select all the boxes and deleted them. Then, what are the objects we have seen in the last demo video? What are the objects we have seen here? Just observe. Some clouds are there, a sun, a sky background, a natural scene, a butterfly, and a crow is flying, a car is moving. So these things all are we required. So we have to collect these pictures. Now I am going to get the picture. Main thing is car. To get the car, I go to my browser and open in Google search. I type cartoon car. In it, I select images. I want to import this car into our presentation. I simply download this image. I downloaded this car and stored in this PC and in my desktop. So this car will be downloaded and stored in my desktop. I downloaded the car. Then again, I go to my PowerPoint. This is our working area. Now I want to insert the downloaded picture into our presentation. To insert anything into our presentation, we have to go Insert tab, which is nearer to Home button. What we have to insert here is a picture. There is an option to insert the picture as pictures. I click on pictures. Then it shows many locations in my computer. Here, the last one is desktop. I downloaded and stored the recent car in my desktop only. So I am going to, this one is the car I have downloaded. I click on the car. Then I tab on insert. Now the car has come to our scene. In demo video, the car has moving from left to right. Here it is turned. So I want to make some small change in the car. In format button, suppose you select any pictures or videos, automatically format in menu bar has been selected. In format, I go to rotate objects. On clicking rotate object, it shows some options in which I select flip horizontal. It simply reverse my car. Next, what I want to move the car from left to right. Now I feel the car is little bit larger. I want to resize the car into a smaller one. For this purpose, I hold my finger on shift button in my keyboard. Then I resize the car by dragging. Now I feel it will be okay. Then I want to make the car to move. For moving any objects in PowerPoint, we have to give animations. For this purpose, now the car is not selected. To move the car, I have to select the car first. The object has been selected. Next, I go to animations in menu bar, which is nearer to transitions. I click on animations. Next, I want to see what are the animations I am going to give in my preview. For this purpose, I select animation pan also, which is below animation and just right to the add animation. Here it shows empty because I didn't give any animation so far. Now I select the car. Now I want to move the car. For this purpose, again I go to in animations. A blue star with the add animation caption is there. Simply I click on a small down arrow in add animation button. It shows many options in which at the bottom motion paths are there. There are many motion paths. Here more motion path also available. Now I want to make the car to move in straight line. So I click on lines. It shows simply how the car moves. The top one, which appears bright, is the beginning position of our animation. The faded one is the ending position of our animation. Now I want to change the car to move from left to right. So I click on the red button at the ending stage of the animation. Simply drag the car to the right of our slide. That's all. Now I want to see what animations I have given. I simply go to slideshow at the top of the menu bar. Then I want to see the preview from beginning. I click on in slideshow, click on just from beginning. There is no any movement. How can we make the car to move? I simply exit from the animation. Now in animation pan, a small number 1 is there. 1 means the animation begins when I start on mouse in my computer. But I want to change it. A small down arrow is there. I click on the down arrow. Many options are there in which now I want to select the start to with previous. Start to with previous means animation begins with the previous one which appears in our presentation. Now I click on start with previous. Again, I go to slideshow, then from beginning. Oh yes, the car has moved now. I again exit from the slideshow. This is the animation what I want to insert into our scene. So we have to bring a background here. In our demo video, we have seen a natural background as a background. To get the same image, again I go to Google. I search nature cartoon background clean PNG. Here I added something with the name clean PNG. I'll explain about the word little bit later. Otherwise, I simply search. I close this tab. Again, open another in which I type clean PNG. Clean PNG is a website in which we can get many images at free of cost. Many images are there. Now I am searching the same image which I inserted in our demo video.
Sir, in the Google search itself, it's there, sir.
Google search. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Cartoon nature.
But we have to know about the clean PNG site.
Yes, sir. You click on the clean PNG. Type clean PNG, sir. Cartoon nature background பக்கத்துல clean PNG. PNG சேர்த்து. Go for images.
Images. Transparent.
See, fourth one.
இது எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
Fourth one, sir. First row, fourth one.
Yeah. Yeah, got it. Now I enter into the website. In previous sessions, you know about how can we download free images. I simply followed the rules and I entered into clean PNG and select an image from the particular site. Now I'm going to download the image. Now the image has been downloaded and it is saved in my download folder. Now I again come to my PowerPoint and our scene. Now again I want to insert the image. What we have to insert a particular thing, we have to go to insert in menu bar. In insert, we have to choose pictures. To import the picture, I click on picture. It shows many options, but at the top, the position is different from what I have stored my downloaded image. My downloaded image is stored in the downloads folder. So I click on downloads on left of the column. Here,
it is on the top itself, sir. It moved. Move up, sir. Upward.
here is the image. I select the image and just click on insert. Now the image has come to our slide, but it is smaller than our slide. Again, I want to resize the image perfectly fit into our slide. So I want to resize it. To resize the image, I simply click on shift button. Then at the corner of the image, I drag from top or from bottom. You have to use the corner side of the image. Now the background has been inserted into our scene. But what the pity is, our car has become hidden. I want to bring our car front into front. What shall we do? Just click on the picture. Just listen here. Just click on the picture and make a right click. It shows many options in which there are two main important commands. One is bring to front. Another one is send to back. It means what the character we have selected here, the nature background. The nature background has to move to the back of the car. So I want to click send to back. Now the car has come front to our scene, but it doesn't look nice because it has some white background. How will we see? How can we, when we see the scene in slideshow mode? It's simply worst. So the car doesn't look nice. A car has to move without the background. So again, I want to change this car without background. So without background, any image, we have to search or we have to select the image with the PNG format. The image already we have inserted here is with some background. It is not a PNG image. Again, I am going to my browser. Then I am searching.
Yes, sir. No, sir. In Google, sir.
Google. In Google search, I select, I type cartoon car PNG. Many cars are there. I want to choose a car without a background.
Yes, sir.
I want to.
Yes, yes.
I want to check this car. I send to this particular site.
No, sir. You can right click and save also.
I make a right click on the image and I am going to save images. Now the image has been downloaded in desktop only. I click on save button. Car has been downloaded. Again, I want to go to my presentation. Now, what I want to do is to replace the car without the background. So again, I am going to insert. To insert anything, we have to go insert. Now I want to insert a picture. So I click on picture. Here it is in downloads, but the car is stored in my desktop. This is the desktop area. I scroll down. Here the car is. I click on the car and bring the car. Now you can feel the difference between both the cars. The previous one is with white background, and the car now I have inserted, there is no any background. It is a transparent one. This type of image is called PNG. Again, I want to change the direction of the car. For this purpose, I have to click on the car and go to format. In format button, there is a flip option. In flip, I am going to flip horizontal. The direction of car has become changed. Now I simply go to the previous car, click on it, and tap on my delete button. Now I bring the car to left of my slide. I want to change the size of the slide into smaller one in the view. I make the car to move away from the slide view. Now I want to give again the same animation which I have given in previous car. In previous car, how can I give the animations? First I have to select the car and should go to animations, click on animation, then want to move a car, have to go add animation. In add animation, scroll the tab here. A simple symbol of line is there. I click on line. Now this is the beginning position of the car and the red arrow is the ending position of the car, and I click on a red dot at the bottom. Simply drag the car to right of my slide. What the animation I have given here, you can simply see on my right animation pan. In animation pan, only one is there with the number 1. It means we have given animation to only one object. 1 means the animation begins in the show when the mouse is clicked. Now I am going to see in slideshow mode. There is no car. I have to click on my mouse. Yes, it is. The car has moved. But I want to change the car animation. The car animation should be started when I start the show. But here it is on click. To change it, we have to go a small down arrow, just make a small click in which we can get start on click, start with previous, start after previous. Here it is enough to select start with previous. It means the animation begins with the previous one when it is played. Again, now I am going to see what we have done in this slide. When I click on slideshow, the car has moved. That's all. Next, speed of the car. The car has moved very fastly, I think. To change the speed, again, we have to go the animation pan, in which we have to select the animation what I have given. Small arrow is there, in which we have seen already start on click, start with previous and start after previous. Below there is option called effect options. I simply click on effect options. In effect options, effect is there, some timing is there. For this car animation, we need not do any effect animations. So I just simply pass to timing. In timing, the duration is 2 seconds maximum it shows. Here also small arrow is there. I click on it. I want to change the car move slowly. So I want to select 3 seconds slow. Then we have to click on OK button. We come out of the dialog box. Now again I want to go the preview show. The car move with a certain speed which we need. So I end this show. What are the other scenes? What are the other characters we have seen in our previous demo video? We have seen a car. Here, only nature background is there. I want to add sky scene behind the nature background. To insert the sky scene, there are many options. Here I am going to use very simple trick in which I select insert. In insert tab, there are many things have been showing in which now I am selecting shapes. These are the shapes we can import into our scenes. Now I am selecting a rectangle. Selecting a shape, we can get a shape of mouse like this. We have to drag the shape. Now I have drawn a rectangle with blue color. But this also hides everything in our scene. For this purpose, we have to make a right click. Then again go to send to back, in which we have applied in the previous picture also. I am selecting send to back. Now the rectangle has gone back to our scene, but the color is not up to our scene. So we want to change the color. To change the color, many options are there. I am using simple option in which at the top, if you are selecting your picture, format button will be automatically selected, in which you can get shape fill option is there. Here also a small down arrow, click on arrow. These are the colors available. Simply we can change the rectangle. Now I select this color. We have done half of the thing. I think. Just a slideshow. Go to from current slide. Oh, yes, it is. Then what are the other things moving in our demo video? A bird is flying from left to right. I want a bird. So again, I want to download a bird image. For this, we should go to Google. In Google, I am typing bird.
You can go for cartoon bird.
Yeah, sorry.
Cartoon bird PNG.
Our scene is almost filled with cartoon images. So I have to search a cartoon bird
PNG, sir.
in which I select images. Previous car image we select PNG.
Or else you can also go for clean PNG, sir. If you wish. Website.
We have used clean PNG, in which we can get PNG images at free of cost. So I again go to cartoon bird clean PNG. Edo image first.
Go to that website, sir. I have sent you the link.
85. Napa?
On the website, maximize the screen, sir.
Now I coming to clean PNG website itself. In this site, we are going to search our need cartoon bird. Is that data? Huh?
Yes, sir.
I select a bird image. It is a PNG image only. I click on it. I go to free download the image. The image has been downloaded. The downloaded image is stored in my downloads area. Now I again come to our scene in which I have to insert the recent bird we have downloaded. It is in downloads. This is the image we have downloaded. I click on it, then click on insert button. The bird has come to our scene. Now again the bird size is very large. I want to for resize the images, you have to click on your shift button. Then at the top or bottom, left or right corner, resize the image. Now I want to I move the bird to the left of my slide. Again, I want to animate the bird to move from left to right.
Sir, maximize the screen, sir. Sir, maximize the PowerPoint presentation. Yes.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
இல்ல வேற ஸ்கிரீன் வந்துட்டீங்க.
வரலையா?
சார் வேற ஸ்கிரீன் வந்துட்டீங்க. பவர் பாயிண்ட். வேற பவர் பாயிண்ட்.
ஓ சரி சரி. Now I want to animate this bird. I simply rotate the bird. Now I want to make the bird to fly from left to right. To animate the body, to animate any character, you have to go animations and click on my animations. Now I want to make the bird to move. For moving a particular character, again you have to go to add animation. In add animation, click on small arrow. Many options are there, in which again I want to give the motion. Here also I select the lines. Here also the starting position of the car, starting position of the bird is at the top. Ending position of the bird is below the bird. I want to make to fly the car. I wanted to make the bird to fly from left to right. Just click on red dot. Simply drag the bird to the right of my slide. Again, I want to see what the animation I have given to this particular bird, where I can see the same way animation pan.
Here itself, I think you can see, sir. You can show here play all by clicking
Here,
play
animation pan, the number 1 is there. Again, I want to see our scene
sir,
in slideshow.
I think you can show from here animation pane itself. Play. Okay, sir.
I click on slideshow. The bird has not come. I am clicking any button in my keyboard. Now the bird has come. So here also we have to change the number 1. I want to click on it. Then click on a small arrow. Here start on click. Then the second one is start with previous. I click on start with previous. Again I want to see the preview mode. Yes, it is. Both the characters are animated at the same time. But here also the bird movement is not look nice, because there is no any wing movements in the bird. Suppose the bird moves with some wing movements, it will look very nice. So I want to change the bird. How can you change the bird? Now I want to change the bird with some movements. So I want a picture with the movements. For this purpose, again I went to Google. I type bird.
Cartoon bird flying GIF.
Cartoon bird flying GIF. To get the transparent images, we search with some special character PNG. To image with small movements, we can search the particular character with the GIF.
Sir, maximize your Chrome browser, sir.
In which I select images. That's clean PNG.
கீழே போங்க சார். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம். I think you can move down.
Here it is. This is the bird we have used in our demo video. So I select this image. So this image is a bird with some wings movements. It will look very nice if it is in our scene. So here I make a right click. Then go to save images. This is the name of the image. This is the storing position of our image. This image is also stored in my desktop. Make a click on save button. The bird image has been downloaded. Now again I open my again we have come to our scene. Here also we have to replace this bird with a GIF image. So I have to go insert, because I want to insert a picture now. Then click on pictures. Recently downloaded image is stored in my desktop. So I click on desktop. This is the image we have downloaded for this scene. I click on it and just tap on insert button. The bird has come to our scene. Now I am going to the previous bird and simply click on delete. Now I bring the bird to the left of our slide. Then I want to resize the crow into a smaller one. Now again I want to give the same animation in which the crow has flew from left to right. To give any animation, we have to select the character. Then we have to go animations again, in which add animation. In add animation, small button is there. There we have to go. We have to choose lines. Here this is the starting position. The end button is end point is here. I make a click on the end point, and I have to select the end point and drag the image to right of our slide now. That's all. Second animation also completed. Now, again you have to go to animation span, in which we can preview our scene.
சார் அது அந்த இதை மாத்திருங்க சார், மவுஸ் கிளிக் மாத்திருங்க.
சொல்றேன்.
மாத்திருங்க, அது ஒரு டைம் சொல்றீங்க.
Here also number 1 is appearing there. 1 means animation starts on click only. You have to change the animations starts with the previous. In preview mode, the crow has flew very fast, so we have to adjust the speed of the bird. For this, you have to go the same area, that is animation pan, select a picture, and below start after previous, there is effect options. The next one is timing. I select timing. In timing, 2 seconds are automatically selected, and I click on it. I want to make the bird to fly slowly, so I click on
very slow will be
seconds.
better, I think so.
Very slow.
Yes, sir.
Click on very slow, then click on OK. Now how it is. So it's okay now. What are the other things we have inserted in our demo video? A small sun is there. So I want to add sun picture.
அது டவுன்லோட் பண்ணதே காட்டிடுங்க சார்.
டவுன்லோட் பண்ணல போடலாமா?
Because time 3:16.
I want to insert the sun picture. நான் previous slide போடுறேன். We have downloaded this image, the same procedure in which we can use other images. You have to apply same procedure. And now I have copied the sun image from other slide, and again I am coming to our scene. Here I make a click on make a right click. I have copied our image, then make a small click on paste. Now the sun has come to our scene. So what are the other things missing? The next one is a butterfly. Butterfly GIF.
Yes.
Butterfly GIF also we have downloaded and used in the previous demo video. The same procedure. How can you download the bird? You can apply the same procedure to download the butterfly. The butterfly I have downloaded is here. I copied the image. This is our scene. I simply paste my image.
Zigzag ஓட வருது சார், அது எடுத்துருங்க.
The image we downloaded here is GIF butterfly. The butterfly is also a GIF image. Here the butterfly is flying at the same place. I want to make the butterfly to move from right to left. So again, I want to give the same animation which we applied in other characters. To this, again we have to go to animations. Now I am giving a small different animation. Now I choose custom path in motion animation, motion path. Custom path means we can customize the path of the character. It doesn't move in a straight line. I want to give the animation like this one. It goes in zigzag manner. The butterfly moves in zigzag manner. I am drawing the image, the path of the butterfly. Here also one is there. One means animation starts on click only, but the butterfly has to fly with the previous animation. So I have to choose start with previous. Now I want to see how the scene looks. Again, I want to go slideshow. Butterfly moves now very fastly. So we want to change the direction of the speed of the butterfly. We have to adjust the speed of the butterfly by clicking on the butterfly image. In animation pan, automatically the image what you select here is selected. In downward arrow, just make a click in which just goes to timing. It moves very fast, you know. So we have to change the speed, very slow one. I think it is 15 seconds or not. 15 seconds are enough to make the butterfly to go smoothly. So I just did what I have given. I repeat the step again. You just click on the image. Automatically in animation pan, the animation has been selected. In downward arrow, just make a click in which timing option is there. In timing, we have to adjust the duration. Previous one is medium one. Now I select. Now I entered 15 seconds manually. Then click on OK. Now we are going to see how it looks. The butterfly comes very lately. So again, we have to change this animation. Go to timing. Change the time into 10 seconds. It selects very slow mode, 5 seconds. It's okay now. Cloud சொல்லலாம் பாப்பா.
சார் மேல அந்த ஸ்கிரீன் பெரிய சைஸ் வச்சிருக்கீங்க, கீழே இருக்குங்க அத. அது பேக்ரவுண்ட் ப்ளூ கலர் பேக்ரவுண்ட் இருக்குல்ல, அது கீழே இருக்குங்க. அது வெள்ள இருக்கு சைஸ். பவர் பாயிண்டோட.
ரைட்.
மேலயும் பெரிய சைஸ்ல போயிருக்கு, அதையும் சின்னதாக்குங்க.
Then I want to add some clouds in our scene. Just go to insert. For sky option, we have drawn a sky with the rectangle shape. For cloud option, again we are going to shapes. In shapes, some basic shapes are there. Here, a shape with the name of cloud is also available. And I click on it. By dragging the mouse, we can get a cloud-like structure. Now the cloud is in blue color. I want to change the color of the cloud into white. One cloud is not enough, I think. So I make a right click, then copy it and again paste it. So 2 clouds are there. I want to resize the second cloud. Again, I want to make another copy of the cloud. I want to change the size and shapes of the cloud. 3 clouds are there. I want to make these 3 clouds move at the same time. An important property we can use here is we have to select all the clouds one by one. First click on one cloud, then make a hold on control button, then click on another cloud, then make a click on another cloud. Now all the clouds has been selected. Now you have to make a right click. Many options are there. One important option, it shows group. Now I am selecting group. Group means now these 3 clouds become only one character, only one image. If you animate a particular thing, it will be applied to all these 3 clouds. Now I want to move these clouds in group. Now you have to click on group. Again the same procedure. Go to animations. Then add animation. Go to motion path. Again I select lines. The ending point is here. I make them to move to right. Here the animation part is completed. Come to animation pan area. In animation pan area, group 19 has been selected with the name 1. 1 means we have told many times. It starts with the on click. We don't need this. We need the animation start with the previous one. Just make a click on start with previous. Then the speed. We have to click on the down arrow. Then go to timing. Cloud will always be moving very slow only. So we have to change extremely slow. Then make a right click on OK. Now we are going to see in slideshow mode. Nice, I think. Now I want to repeat the car. We have to choose the car. In animation pan, the car animation has been selected, in which a small down arrow, click on it and go to effect options. In effect options, just pass on to timing, in which below duration, there is another option called repeat mode. Here, defaultly it is selected none, but the car has to move 2 or 3 times as we think. Now I want to move the car twice in our slide. So I choose 2, then make a click on OK. Now I am going to watch in slideshow mode. That's all. This is the scene we have created with some simple animations. வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லணுமாப்பா?
சார் அதுல until of end slide எல்லாத்துக்கும் கொடுத்துருங்க, ரிப்பீட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும்னு சொல்லுங்க.
சொல்லவா? ஓகே. The car has moved twice only. Suppose if you want to move the car again and again till the scene has to come to end, you have to go.
ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க சார். undo கொடுங்க.
We to go timing option. Selected. Suppose we select 3 here, it plays 3 times. 4 here, it plays 4 times. Suppose I want to select slide, then click on OK. The same procedure has been applied to other things we have animated so far.
சார் மேல
Ah,
அந்த இது சீனே மேல எல்லாமே மேல ஏறி இருக்கு. நீங்க அந்த கட்டமே மேல ஏத்தி வச்சிருக்கீங்க.
அது பரவாயில்லப்பா. எனக்கு
அதுதான் எல்லாரும் கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறாங்க. ஓகே. அந்த ஸ்லைடுக்கே வைக்கல, எல்லாமே வெளில இருக்கு.
ஓகேவா?
சன்னு கீழே இறக்கிடுங்க. பேர்டு எங்கேயோ பறக்குது பாருங்க. பேர்டு
ஈவினிங் வெளில போறது என்னது?
மேலே போயிடுது. சூரியனுக்கு மேலே பறந்து போவோம். ஓகே. நவ் ப்ரிவ்யூ. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks, pa.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, pa.